Now you know what's Python. And before we start, we need to check whether Python already installed in your computer. For most of the systems like Mac OS and Linux, Python are already integrated in the system. For example, in my Linux system, right, when I run Python 3, here you can see that Python already installed. For Windows system, sometimes Python is not installed, so you can go to Python's official web, python.org, then select download, find the version you want to install, then press download to download it. Or you can also go to the Microsoft Store, right? Type in Python. Okay, you can see. Then you select the version you want, then press the get button. After the installation finish, then in Windows, right, you can see the Python already in the start menu. Or if you run the command Python, okay, you can see Python already installed.